Welcome. This video I'll show you how to fix your Asus laptop if there is a sound problem or basically no audio or low volume. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to your taskbar right here, click on audio, click on this icon. Okay, now go ahead and try one of these options right here. Okay, you might have a ton. Okay, you might have installed a third-party software where it includes your audio output. Okay, for example, I have here SteelSeries Sonar Gaming. Make sure to check one by one. Okay, I go ahead and open an audio or a video and check if it produces audio now. Now, if that still will work, you can go ahead and try using your headset. Okay, it can be Bluetooth or wired or external speakers. Okay, just go ahead and check if it works. If it works, well, there's a problem with your system or hardware. So what we'll do to fix that, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down system updates. Click on check for updates right here. Now go ahead and click on the blue button that says check for updates. If there are available updates, go ahead and install those. And once that's done, go ahead over to advanced options right here. And under optional updates, you'll be able to see a ton of updates here as well. Make sure to install everything, hit on download and install. And once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer and check if it helps. If that will work, go to your start menu right here, right click on it and click on device manager. Okay. Now go ahead and find audio inputs and outputs. Right click on your speakers like so. Right click and click on update driver. Browse my computer. Let me pick and try one of these options. Okay. Click on one, hit on next right here, and go ahead and play a video or audio, and it should work now. Also, last tip right here, go to your control panel. Now click on large icons in this list. Now click on sound. Make sure that your speakers right here is not disabled. Okay. Like this one is disabled. You can right click on it and just click on enable and check if it helps. Also, when you right click on your speakers, click on properties, enhancements right here, make sure that you disable all enhancements, hit on apply, go to advanced, use 16-bit for now. Okay, click on it, hit on apply, now go to levels, play around with it. You can amp it up if you want to, and then hit on apply, hit on OK, and it should work now. Okay, and that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.